Hi guys, the normal way of putting eye cream like that, right, is wrong. So one of the most important steps in your night routine would be your eye cream. So don't do it wrongly, if not you'll be wasting money and you'll be growing wrinkles faster as well. Okay? Your eye cream is basically the one that stops your wrinkles from growing prematurely and also helps with hydration of your eyes and removing dark eye circles. In general, we all know that eye creams are really expensive, so don't waste that money doing it wrongly and do it right so that it works for you properly. So this lady that I saw, maybe she was like 60 plus and she didn't even have much wrinkles on her eyes, and I felt that that was quite intriguing. So she had a very special way of putting eye cream, and I have learned that because I feel like I don't want to have many wrinkles when I'm 60. I would be ugly and I would be looking like an old hat. So you should be like me because you want to invest the time right now when you're young to do it right, so that when you're old you will look beautiful. This is my lavender and chamomile caffeine-free tea. Oh, I nearly choked. So this is my current eye cream, which is the Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM eye cream. This helps to contour your eyes, which means it helps to lift your eye bags up and at the same time reduce wrinkles as well. I started using eye creams maybe when I was like 22 or so, and only at 25 I started using anti-aging eye cream. They all say that 25 is the age for you to start using anti-aging items, so I am starting that right now. The normal way of putting eye cream like that, right, is wrong. Okay, it's wrong because that is how wrinkles form. So let's go on to the first step and I will let you know what to do, okay? The fourth finger is the finger with least strength, and that is the finger that you want to use on your eye area because your eye area is very delicate and sensitive. Then what you want to do is pump a little. Okay, pump a little. And use your other forefinger to warm up the product. At the same time, what you want to do is to just tap it also to activate everything that's in there. What you want to do is to put it at the end and then tap it inwards. And then you can start massaging your eyes from outside in, okay? Inside out is wrong. Lightly, don't have to put too much strength. Tap your eyes from outside in. You can go slightly lower towards where your eye socket is. The next step would be for you to try to remove the crow's feet at the end of your eye with your eye cream. So with some product left on your finger and also some here, use your middle finger of the other hand, pull back and do this. Use two fingers. So use these two fingers from the inside to out. The reason why we do this is to encourage lifting of our eyes, and the other side. And one last step. So your last step would actually be the same. You pull back with your middle finger, use your fourth finger to massage your crow's feet in circles. And the other side. And that's all. Very simple, right? So I know it sounds like a hassle, But if you want that beauty like 50 years, 60 years down the road, you better start doing this, man. So some days I'm also lazy, so I understand that it's very troublesome. So what I ensure that I will definitely do is to not do this, and I will always be circulating my eyes in this manner. So now that you know, don't make the same mistake. And yeah, so I hope this helped. Although you can't see the results instantly, but I believe in that old woman because she really looked quite young, and I am going to follow her steps. So I hope this eye massaging thing helps you now all the way till you are 60. And when we are 60, we'll be beautiful and gorgeous forever. Don't waste your money on eye creams if you don't know how to apply them, because they will just go down the drain. When I'm at her age, I don't want that wrinkles thing going on, okay? No. So this might actually be an awakening for some of you guys who have been doing it the wrong way and actually have been growing some wrinkles because you've been using it wrongly. But no fret, okay? Start from today, do it the right way, and you'll be fine. And yeah, so again, thank you guys for watching. Oh yes, if you're interested in where I got this purchase from, it's cute, right? I got it in like a big size, so it's super comfy. So if you're interested to know where I got this from, it's from my Taobao haul. You can watch that video right here. And yeah, so that's all. So thank you guys for watching as always, and love me, sub me if you wanna reach me.